I have recently started sleeping with mouth tape, and if you guys aren't doing it, you should be, because it's life-changing. I feel more refreshed when I wake up sleeping with mouth tape.
Alright, here's the reason a lot of the celebrities are sleeping with mouth tape now. If you sleep like this with your mouth open, you're going to snore a lot through the night, and it can cause so many issues, but the main one being just dehydration, which is why you might wake up full of brain fog and just feeling a bit shit. For me personally, before I got put onto this stuff, my girlfriend would moan I would snore through the whole night, and to be honest, I could tell because I'd wake up feeling like shit. For me personally, since I've been using this stuff, I've been waking up feeling a lot more refreshed. So if you snore or mouth breathe, or you have a girlfriend or boyfriend that does it, please put them onto this because it's been a game changer for me. So I got mine off TikTok shop. You get like a month's supply for about £8. These are selling like crazy already, so if you want to try them and they're in stock, I'll leave a link attached in this video.